How to get marketplace icon shortcut to navigation bar on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can get the marketplace icon shortcut to the navigation bar, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To get the marketplace icon shortcut in the navigation bar, all you have to do is simply open up the Facebook application. Now if you don't see the shortcut at the top, now normally these shortcuts are added automatically depending upon what you use frequently, right? But let's say you want it instantly, you can also just tap the three lines option there. Simply go to the settings option by tapping on this gear icon that you would be able to find here, right? So just wait until you go to the settings page over here. Once you come to settings, you simply have to look under the preferences, tap an option known as navigation bar, select that, and then you can simply select customize the bar. Then all you have to do is add a shortcut bar. So marketplace icon is set to auto, you can set this to pin, and next time whenever you go ahead and then basically see, then you will be able to see the marketplace icon will be there. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.